So hi and hello everyone, this is Tech here with another video, and today in this video we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S9 plus 1 month full experience. So I have been using the Samsung Galaxy S9 plus for last 1 month, and today is my full review on the Samsung Galaxy S9 plus 1 month experience. And first I would like to talk about the overall design of the phone. The overall design of the phone is awesome, but still many of them used to say that it's the same Samsung Galaxy S8 plus design, but I'm okay with it. It's the same design, but now it's the perfect Samsung Galaxy smartphone because the fingerprint scanner has been moved down so that it is very uh, easy to reach, so that you can make it very efficiently. And if you're talking about the comfortability of the phone, it's awesome. It's a back glass and even a front glass. It might be a bit slippery, but still you can use the phone for a very long time. You can use a cover, which already the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus box contains the cover. You can, but still it's not perfect. You can use a better cover in the Samsung company or any other retail shops. And the speed of the phone is awesome. The overall speed of the phone is great because you can even open apps which is around 1 day or 2 day, even 3 days far from, because you can open the apps which is even 3 days far. It's thanks to this 8 GB RAM in the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and the overall speed when you're using it's instant. You just click on it, it gets open, which is perfect for a flagship phone. It's 2018, but still I think in this year's smartphone that the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus will be able to compete with many other competitors in the market. Even sometimes even the new iPhone in 2018, I think the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus even will be able to beat the iPhone. The new speakers in the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is placed in the right place. Well, the first speaker is in the bottom, and the other speaker is in the up of the screen, so that it's, even if you cover one, you still can have the best experience through the other one, which most of the Samsung Galaxy phone doesn't have even now in 2018. But the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus managed to have that and become the best perfect smartphone for this year. It is 2018, but still the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus managed to bring the headphone jack and continues its headphone jack in the same place, and the 3.5 mm headphone jack, it's the same and there's no difference in it. But the iPhone made out of the headphone jack in 2016, in late 2016, but still in 2018 also the Samsung Galaxies have their headphone jacks in the same place and even in the same brand. And the second thing you have to talk is about the camera. You have to talk more about the camera because the camera in the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is reimagined as the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus trailer. You can see that it's in the Samsung Galaxy S9 trailer, the camera of it is like the main highlighted feature in it. So I tested some examples on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus camera review, and in the first place I tested about the live focus of it. Wow, it's awesome. It even can compete with the iPhone X portrait. The live focus is awesome, which is very detailed and even taken in very detail. So I will show you some examples on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus live focus photos. And the second thing is the slow motion feature in the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. The slow motion feature in it is awesome, which can take up to 960 frames per second, but still in just 720p. That's Samsung's sorry feature, but you can only take till now in 720p. I think the Samsung Galaxy S10 or any other names of Samsung Galaxy's future 2019 phones will be able to take even in 1080p, even in 2 or 4K even in 960 frames per second. And then let's talk about the overall summary of the phone of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. The overall summary of the phone is that I have been using this phone for last 1 month, and I feel this is the perfect smartphone by the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I say you to buy this phone because it worth for its price. It's just around $1,300, or you can even buy it $1,200. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus 64 GB. I will put you some links down below in the description so that you can check out that links. And then that's the end of the video, guys. So click the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our videos. Bye.